Hi guys, welcome back. This is Jeevan. In the previous video, we had set up a virtual machine for deployment of MicroStack. So in this video, we will be proceeding with the MicroStack commands. So let us begin. So we will be going to through the official website itself. So first we need to run the command sudo snap install MicroStack, that is in the development dev mode, and that is the beta version. So copy. Then we can paste here. Yeah, guys, we are done with the first command. Then we are going to the second command where all the services provided by the OpenStack will be installed. So the services like Keystone, Glance, and Cinder, Neutron, Nova. So all these services will be installed with this command. So this will take a lot time. Finally, we are done with installing all the services of OpenStack. Now we shall continue with the further commands. So we shall see what command they have given. So this is the password for the keystone. So then we shall see what catalog list will be is giving here. Yeah, we can see the keystone service, neutron, cinder, placement, nova, and the glance. So then finally we need to access the UI or the dashboard of the OpenStack. So just we need to copy the IP address on which the MicroStack has been deployed. So I'm copying this IP address and then we need to paste it in the browser. So by the time it gets loaded, we will get the password of the keystone. So that is by sudo snapget microstack. So it gives us the ID where we need to use this as the password for our open. I have opened the browser in the virtual machine itself and giving the credentials as admin and password as that keystone password. So I will be signing in. So now we shall guys, now we shall check whether we have deployed all the services correctly or not. So by launching the instance, click on launch instance, then give the name as demo, then source. So one thing to be noted here is you should not create the volume. So MicroStack deployment doesn't give you the Cinder volume service. So we need to select no while creating the volume. So I will selecting the image that is zeros, then the flavor, a tiny one. So this one, okay, then in the networks, I will be using the external. So launch instance, see the task is scheduling and the image we have taken the zeros and the flavor tiny m1 dot tiny and this is the IP address of it. So it is in the spanning state. So the status is active. That's all guys. Finally, we have launched the VM in the OpenStack successfully. So meet you in the next videos.